mastering must and have to in English. Hello there, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on how we use must and have to express obligation. We all must have experienced a situation where we have to do something, right? Well, let's see how we can talk about such situations in English. Must is a modal verb we often use to express necessity or obligation. For example, if you have an exam tomorrow, you can say, "I must study tonight." This sentence conveys that it is essential for you to study. Note that must is used with the base form of the verb. You simply say, must study, must work, must cook, and so on. No, to is used after must. Now, let's look at have to. Much like must, have to is also used to express obligation or necessity. So, you might wonder what's the difference, right? Well, the difference lies in the context. While must often suggests personal obligation or rules, have to generally refers to external obligations. For instance, if your boss gives you a task, you might say, "I have to finish this project by tomorrow." Here, the obligation comes from an outside source, your boss. At this point, you might think that must and have to are interchangeable because they both express obligation. That's partially true, but remember, must tends to be more formal and stronger. For example, if you say, "You must stop smoking," it sounds like an order or very strong advice. But if you say, "You have to stop smoking," it's like a strong suggestion, but less forceful than using must. When using the negative form, things change a bit. Must not, or mustn't, refers to prohibition, something that is not allowed. On the other hand, do not have to, or don't have to, means something is not necessary, but it's okay if you want to do it. For example, "You mustn't smoke in the hospital," means it is forbidden. But, "You don't have to come to the meeting," suggests that it's okay if you decide not to come, but you can if you want. And that's a wrap for today, folks. We hope this video helped clarify the use of must and have to when expressing obligation or necessity. These modal verbs might seem tricky, but with practice, you'll master them in no time. So, remember to practice by making your own sentences and keep having fun with English. Until next time, happy learning!